In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and set up Visual Studio Code on your Windows computer. If you are completely new to coding, don't worry. I will explain everything in a simple way so you can follow easily. Let's get started. First, open the browser to your liking, and it can be Chrome, Edge, or anything that you prefer. And once your browser is open, go to the search bar and just search for VS Code and hit enter. And just open the first official link, which is Visual Studio Code, and click on it. And just click on download for Windows. And as you can see, our download has been successfully started. And it is 126 MB, and you may need to wait some time depending on your system and your internet connection. And once that the download is complete, go ahead and open the file by just clicking on it. Now, on the first screen, you'll see the license agreement. Just check the box that says you accept the agreement and just click on next. Now, you will see option for start menu and desktop icon. Just toggle on desktop icon if you want to create a desktop icon, and just toggle the others, and these options make it much easier to use VS Code later, especially when you add it to path, which allows you to open VS Code from command prompt. And once you have checked everything, just click on next and then click on install. And as you can see, our installation is preparing and it may take some time to install. It usually takes less than a minute for it to install on our computer. And once the installation is finished, you will see a finish screen. Make sure the option to launch Visual Studio Code is checked and just click on finish. And Visual Code will now open like so. You can just maximize it for easier view, and it may take some time to load for the first time. On the left side, you will see a sidebar. This is where most of your tools are. The first icon is Explorer. This is where you can open folder and see your project. Just click on that and click on open folder, and you can select any folder from your computer that you want to add in Visual Studio. And after selecting a folder, this will become your workspace. And after opening a folder, VS Code might ask you if you trust the author. Just click on yes, since it's your own folder. Now you will see all your files inside VS Code. Next, let's talk about extensions. Whenever you open a file like Python or JavaScript, VS Code might suggest installing an extension on your bottom right side. Extensions add support for different programming languages. For example, if you open a Python file, it might recommend the Python extension. You can just click on install, and this will give you feature like code suggestion, debugging, and more. You can manually install extensions by just clicking on the extension icon in the sidebar and just click on it, and you can search any extension that you need like Python and hit enter and wait for it to search for the extensions, and you will see the Python, and just click on it to preview. And as it is from the verified Microsoft, you can just trust this and install it as an extension in your Visual Studio. And in your top right, you will see a toggle panel. Just click on it and you will see your terminal. Make sure to click on Trust Workspace and continue. This is where you can run commands. This is very useful when working on project. Now let's look at another useful feature. Because we selected add to path during installation, we can open VS Code using command prompt. So just go to your Windows search bar and search for CMD, and make sure to run it as an administrator, and inside the command prompt just type code and hit enter. This will open Visual Studio Code directly. If you want to open a specific folder using command prompt, you can do it too. First, navigate to your folder using the cd command and type code and press enter. This will open that folder directly inside VS Code. This is really fast way to work, especially when you are dealing with project. Now, let's briefly talk about some other important section. You have that search feature, which lets you find text across your file. You have that source control, where you can connect your project to Git and manage version control. You also have run and debug section, which allows you to test and debug your code. And in newer version, you might also see a chat or AI feature. You just have to press Ctrl Alt and I key on the keyboard and you will get your chat feature, which helps you with coding, and you can connect it with accounts like GitHub or Google to get suggestion and help write coding. This is optional, so you can skip it if you are just starting. Overall, Visual Code is a very powerful and beginner friendly editor, and once you get used to it, it becomes very easy to use. And that's it. And that's everything you need to get started. If this video helped you, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more beginner friendly tutorials.